Maggie's turning 6. Yay! Check it out.
Tell them actually how old I'm turning.
How old are you turning?
9.
Yes.
Okay, let's move out.
Maggie's fave drink. Is that right?
Huh?
Your fave drink. What do you think?
Very good.
Thì cho ba mua đi được không? Đóng từ từ. Ooh.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maggie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Let's see it. Let me see it.
Good nick nè. Good nick.
Check us out. Oh, let's see it.
Chừng nào chị
Đây đây ba bỏ qua cho nó.
Wow.
Good. Rồi.
Whoa, that's a big size. See it. Let me see it. Oh, so cute.
Đi bơi nào. Đi bơi nè. Chồng cho áo.
Aww.
I got the Percy Jackson series.
Whoa, you did.
Oh.
Did you get? Is that all of them? Is that all?
It's the first 5.
Whoa, that is so cool.
Yay! Whoa! Wow.
Nắm đọc how many books there?
There's 5. But there's only going to be 4 because I already read
Oh.
Thief.
That's okay.
Cầm
That is
cho
so
chị.
cute. Another
Ủa, cái này
one.
có nhỏ không vậy?
Không.
These are so cute.
That's so cute.
That's what you are trying on me. I wondered.
Is that embroidery? That's so nice.
Mom wanted to make sure they fit, so she made her try them on with her eyes closed.
Whoa, that is
This
a lot.
is what you were making
Yeah,
me
it's
try
closed with
on.
the pants.
Also more.
Wait, that one's so
Nóng
cute.
á mẹ. Mặc mấy này nè. Đi chơi khỏe má.
Nhưng mà dạ cái này riêng nha.
That is so cute.
Đấy.
Here, Dad.
Ở trên nào?
You're supposed to go inside it.
Một
I
cái
know,
màu xanh một cái.
But I
gì
can't
đấy.
with my dress.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
They're for like watercolor.
Oh, those are some really good ones. I'm gonna steal some. Review. Check it out. Look at all these presents.
Trong cái hộp ở trong lê hao của nó có đó.
No, it's okay. Look, Posca markers. Check it out. Check it out. What's your favorite?
This one and this one.
Those two? Nice.
Okay, stop.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hi,
Good morning.
sisters.
Oh, hi,
Oh,
sisters.
sorry. No, let's do it again. Okay,
Okay.
ready? Good morning, vlog.
Okay,
Good morning.
yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, vlog.
Today is, hold on. It's Sunday, March 9th, and we're currently working on our physics boat. I don't know, you can't see it, bro. We painted it though. And now we're drawing. Oh, wait, I gotta show the more sleigh.
Oh yeah, done.
There's a reindeer on this side. It's not exactly done yet, but and then on this side it says more sleigh.
Oh my god, me slapper.
Ah.
We're so funny. Katie come up with that name.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. So, how is your March going so far?
It is very eventful actually, and I'm glad. I like to keep busy, but I'm really tired and I hate physics. I hate physics so much. I hope Nguyen accidentally falls in the pool. I'm sorry. I hope she does.
Crazy. Crazy,
Oh my God.
bro. Okay, current time. Oh wait, do you know the current time?
What? I'll
I think it's 12:40.
Oh, wait, let me guess. 12:43. Oh my god, you won. 12:41.
No, it's because I saw it the time earlier. I just said that. Okay,
Freak.
girl, what?
I got some here.
You can watch it. Well, check it out. Wait.
That's okay.
There's our reindeer. There's a little reef around it, and then we painted the inside.
Looks like
Yeah, and we left the bottom for proof that we didn't use tape. Oh, use paper.
Check out the name of the
Yeah, check it out. More slay. Just look at this little like cartoon.
Yes.
And then this is our like check the garage like state. And then this is like a vine that we're gonna put little lights on.
Yes. Christmas lights.
Oh, it's a little big here.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh, it's a little blurry. Update. We added some string lights that we're gonna add lights to. Did I show this yet? I can't even remember, bro.
You showed me
The
painting
green.
it, but it's finished now.
Yeah, let's see what time it is.
It's 1:15.
Yep.
Bro, I'm gonna die.
Okay. Yep.
Oh.
That is it.
Good night, Katie's vlog.
Good night. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Sunday, March 9th, and Maggie's helping me add the touches
Hi.
to our Christmas themed boat here. Mom's helping paint Rudolph's antlers, and we're using Maggie's Posca markers. Thank you, Maggie.
You're welcome. Wait, show them the top.
Check out how cute that is. It's currently 12:30, and we're at Shabuda. Check it out.
Can I crack anyone else's egg?
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Hi.
Wow.
I cracked a perfectly good egg.
Whoa. We're now at Yogurtland, friends. Let's see what you got there.
Can I? No, my favorite thing isn't there.
Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and it's actually the day of the regatta, but it's not until 3 p.m. So I'm currently studying for a test that I'm taking tomorrow early because I'll be out of the town for the rest of the week. Yeah, and I also didn't go to school today because I didn't want to. Also, I strained my back after the meet on Saturday. I don't know if I said that yet, but I'm basically going to go through my usual routine and review the entire unit. Alright, Guneet, where are we?
We're at Kennedy High School.
Oh, take a look at this. Yeah. Wait, I gotta get the other side. Keep going. Oh my god. Yeah.
HMS Jensen is already going down. What happened? Ambulance is moving.
Go, go, Katie!
HMS Jensen is in the water. Christmas Spirit is winning right now. Or is Slay in the lead. Ori Subi, slow and steady.
We just went our first round and we won. And now we're drying off the boat.
We're gonna do another round. They can, if they come in outside.
Very good.
Oh, thanks.
We're about to do more
Hi,
rounds.
What'd
you think? What'd you think of that?
I thought it was pretty good.
They were so fast.
Yeah.
They were so fast.
This is my natural habitat. Did we even win in a boat regatta? Just kidding. Just kidding.
I just lost it! Mr. Elliott! Miss Houston! Mr. Martin! Mr. Win trying it down there! Miss Houston, up in front! Mr. Elliott! Good guy! You got it! You got it! Yeah! Win Thursday! Miss Houston! Miss Houston! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Flag for the Tigers! 1,000 Barney! Second place! Tyrese the good Billy and Mr. Barnett! Who gets that first? Mr. Let's try to get all the boats out of the water soon. We got a lead swim set up.
to do the honors? Mike, you want to do the nose? You can do the nose.
The ruin. Bro, Granny's gonna lean into it.
Bro, I can't.
Maggie, get up.
Bro, you can't stand on it. It's not.
You're not happy enough. Get up.
Bro, even I can stand on it. Well, I can do it. Bro, that's not stand on it. You can stand on it. Oh. Bro, it's still a whole piece.
Wait, this one too. This one too. Look.
Maggie, water. Back up. Here now. Maybe you put on top.
I think it's just
Maggie,
tearing
back up.
apart already.
Okay. Hold on. Go this way.
Oh! It wasn't a boat.
Do you guys wanna sign off the vlog?
All right. Bye, vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, okay, Maggie.
Oh.
Maggie. No.
Take this off.
Post regatta interview. What did you think? What'd you think, bro?
I think
Hey, tell them
just as
how
I
many rounds.
expected.
Tell them how many rounds our boat went.
I didn't count. I'm not gonna lie. Like
Too many.
Like
Tell them
five?
what it did though.
It did well. And then we
And then
went through.
we flipped our.
we flipped it and
our
it
life
still
for over,
worked,
and then we
like-
poured all the water out and it
Yeah.
still worked.
My butt is really wet right now because I got in after that.
And then we put Greenie and her brother in and we pulled them across the pool twice.
Yeah, because we kind of sucked up.
And then we
right
put Maggie in.
Yeah, I think my.
Mom, Dad, what did you think of the regatta?
Great.
Great. I think we had the best one. We had the best one. Good morning, friends. Good morning, Mom.
Hi.
Room tour. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
Hello.
What do you think of our room, Dad? Like, this is pretty big for 3 people. And there's like it's like a stovetop and everything. And, whoa, it's really bright, but it's the Hudson River. We're now inside the school.
It's a library, Katie.
The library. Whoa. That is pretty cool. Hello.
See what I got.
Hi.
That one's fun.
Yay.
Proud parent.
Yes, I'm a proud mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see the purple one. I want to see the purple one, Dad.
This is for Maggie. This is for mommy.
Wow, so cute.
The purple one. Là mẹ nhớ em Katie. Okay. The shoe. Let me show you the shoe. The boot, okay?
Check it out.
Ready to go.
We're walking around the school right now, and there's literally people like jumping. What's it called? Parachuting? Oh, well, he's on the ground now. Oh, there's one right there. Right there, in front of you, in front of us. There's like the parachute team there. I assume that's like, I don't know, the track team or something. People walking. What are they doing? We're now at, where are we? Sushi King.
One order crab meat sushi.
Dad, would you order? Oh, Dad ordered the same thing as me.
Yeah.
Guys, this was $8. $8. Huh?
Tofu soup.
$12, guys. Like, that's crazy. And friends, we're currently at BZ Royalty. Check it out. Oh. What drink you got there, Dad? Which one is that?
That's an orange refresher.
And then Mom got the
Classic milk tea.
nice. I got the.
Sparkling water.
Mine is also with sparkling water. It's the
I like it.
dragon fruit lychee lemonade. It's like, look at that.
Yeah.
Alrighty friends, I just took a shower and I'm slugging with an aquifer because it's so dry here. But haul, I got my boots, my shoes, some socks. This is for like the shoes. Some shirts. These are for my sister. Some more shirts. Duct tape. This like mosquito thingy. And quite a few more things. But check it out. I got aquifer. It's like the small size. Look at how cute it is. And I also got this. And we also got a few more things from, I think it was Walgreens, but yeah, this is my worst enemy. I look so crusty, but I'm now working on my homework because I don't know if I mentioned this, but I haven't been at school since Tuesday because after the regatta, I went to practice, and then on Wednesday I went to school to take the physics test, and then I left, and now we're here. And it's Thursday, it's 7:50, and time is moving like concerningly slow. So I think I can get a lot done, but also I have to learn a bunch of new stuff that I haven't learned yet in like math and physics, and I have to obviously do the assignments that I haven't done. Also, check my favorite pants. They're my pets. Also, today is Barry's birthday. It's Pi Day, March 14th, and he's turning 3. So, happy birthday, Barry.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Check it out. What's it called? Garlic knots.
Good, no?
And then look at this pizza. How crazy is that? And also, the pizza box is at the school. Hi vlog. This is the next day and we're currently at North Dock. Check it out. Okay. What do you think, Dad? What do you think?
Cool.
Lan. Cold.
Cool.
Cold?
Mom?
I don't know if you can see the school from here. Check those things out. I don't know what those are. Headed to the West Point Museum. We're on a different story now. Oh my This one is actually taller than me, guys. One that's taller than me. These are all taller than my sister. You can see it a couple times. Hi vlog, we're now in Long Island and we're eating White Castle sliders. Check it out, we ate these. We're gonna eat all these. These are so good. Isn't it so good, Mom?
Yes,
it's so good.
really
And they don't
good.
have it in California. Good morning, friends. Today is Sunday, March 16th, 12:23.
That's it.
And we're at White Castle. Here it is. Let's see your order, Dad. What'd you get? I got sliders, you guys.
Shrimp and clam.
Nipple.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know what to do. No.
Hi vlog, we're back at the school. Check this out. It's like overlooking the Hudson River. South Dock. Apparently that's what it's called. Check it out. Check it out, you guys.
That house.
Oh, he reached it. Got cannons. Where the restrooms at? Currently 30:59, and we're headed back to the airport to go home. Mom and Dad say hi. Going home. Currently 11:01 p.m. Check out the currently back at home, and something I forgot to mention that I forgot to include in the vlog but was quite the cute story is we ate at Sushi King a second time, I think like the day we got back from Long Island, and we ran to the track team eating there, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there were 6 of them, and we ended up paying for them, and it turned out my sister knew like 3 of these cadets, and one of them I actually swam with. Check out the photo. I knew her since I was like 8 years old maybe. We used to swim together. Yeah, and look at some of the other photos that we took. Oh. Oh wait, hold on. I think I'm going the wrong way. Check it out. Some of the photos we took. Yeah. But anyways, that concludes the end of the vlog. Bye bye!